Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can check all your Proforma invoice or can search all your Proforma invoice on TranZact. So after creating it in transaction module, we do have all documents module where you can see all your Proforma invoices. Let us go to our all documents module. In your left hand side, you will see all documents. Please click on this. Now, this is your all documents module. So from document, you need to make changes and you need to select Proforma invoice. So please check here. It is provided sales Proforma, purchase Proforma. So let us go with the sales Proforma invoice. Once we will select sales Proforma invoice, it will provide you list of all the Proforma invoice which is created on system. You can use search option as well. In order to search any specific Proforma invoice, you can open the Proforma invoice by clicking on this particular document number. So once you will click on it, it will open the Proforma invoice in next tab. You can also select all the Proforma invoices and you can use our download feature to download those Proforma invoices in PDF. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while looking or while searching for all Proforma invoice. Have a good day ahead.